Hello guys, today magluluto tayo ng pumpano fish. Already clean and gutted. So we have mustard leaves here. I already washed and cleaned. Or balimbi, I cut into half. Tomatoes, sliced onion, and of course our ginger. I preheated the pan, then we sauteed the ginger. We add ginger because alam naman natin na malansa ang isda. So, we saute the ginger. Now we add the tomatoes. We can add our fish. Some salt. Balimbi or samyap. Add some water. And we cover and bring to simmer. Ayan, i-check na natin yung ating pumpano fish. Ayan, na-simmer na siya. Ayan. Then, pwede na natin siyang i-season ng fish sauce. Kunti lang. Kasi may asin na kanina. I already put salt. And now, we can add our mustard. Mustard green. Ayan, Chinese mustard greens. This top first. Ng ating pumpano fish, pinangat. Ayan. Veggie sa side. Ayan. I-simmer natin ulit for 3 minutes hanggang maluto yung gulay. Pan natin. I-check na natin guys yung ating pinangat na pumpano. Ayan. Luto na yung ating pinangat sa kamyas na pumpano. Ayan. Ang sarap. Ayan. 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 I hope you like this video. It's Erin G. Bye for now.